Ice cream lovers, Steve Christensen's my name, the Ice Cream Bloke, self-appointed headmaster of Scoop School, down here in Australia on another Scoop School field trip. Today we're in Sydney, and in particular, Darling Harbour, right on the bay, the famous Sydney Harbour. Now, there's a lot of things to do here, even some ice cream options. You got your Ben & Jerry's, a lot of popsicles on sticks. There's even a gelato store down the road. But why we are here? Because we are very excited to visit Tyra Banks' store here in Australia, Smize Dream. Now, we've been working with Tyra for quite some time. Her passion for ice cream and her eye for detail has been incredible. Incredible privilege to work with. So we're very excited to be down here. The store's just about ready to celebrate their 1-year anniversary. We're going to pop in here, have some incredible ice cream. We're also going to try the incredible hot ice cream that everyone's talking about. We're going to do that this episode of the Ice Cream Bloke. Ladies and gentlemen, like the design aspect of this place is just incredible. Now, it's done in the rotunda. They call this in the middle the slurkle. It's the sleigh circle. And I don't know, I'm not good at the sleigh or the sleigh or whatever it is. That's where the hub of this place is. All down the middle here, there's 3 in here working today. It's winter time. Honestly, there's a flurry of activity always going on. Now, as we move around, just to give you an idea of the whole Smize Dream, and you'll see up here behind us, for those uneducated, Smize is a Tyra favorite saying, which is smile with your eyes. I love Smize. So like this.
And I will have a
Or is it like this? So the Smize and the heart is the dream. Smize Dream, incredible. So we make our way around here. There's a great opportunity for merch also as we go. Smize bags over here. You've got your Smize key rings. It's all an advertiser's dream. Now, design of the store actually is kind of carousel inspired as you look at the carousel across the street here. So this beautiful cone in the middle. Honestly, the vibe here is very, very cool. A couple of things that we have to get here. We have to get the Smize Surprise on top of your ice cream. That's a must. And also we're going to get an ice cream Sammy, a relatively new menu item, as well as a hot ice cream right now. Everything's made here on site, by the way. Beautiful fresh ice cream. We've already had a great taste. As you look at some of the categories here, you've got your comfies, your yummies, and your dreamies. And interestingly, the comfies is a single scoop. Basically what they've done is put categories of ice cream in based on the richness and price. So your comfy collection is smooth, classic, and nostalgic. But then as you move up to the yummy collection, you've got bold, fun, full of personality. And you end up over here at the dreamy collection, which is gourmet, over the top, rich. Absolutely beautiful. Got your Sammys in there as well. So folks, we're doing a 3-course meal here. We're starting, the lovely Miss Rachel over here is serving us, and we're going to do what we have dubbed, just back up here, Tyra. Okay, I have dubbed, well, Rachel gave us some help, the family tree. We got Mama Carolyn, who's the foundational scoop. That's a beauty, crunchy, chocolatey almond clusters. Then we're going to go Tyra's favorite over here, which is a salted caramel. It's almost like a salted caramel and a butter pecan all rolled into one. And then York's favorite, Tyra's son, is a beautiful milky cream chocolate with fudge. Now the question was asked, what order should we go? But Mama always makes the foundation. She's the foundation of the family. So we're going to start with Mama on the bottom, Tyra, and then we'll finish off with York. Ladies and gentlemen, we present to you the family tree. Incredible. Now, Is it asking too much to put a Smize surprise on the top of it?
I think we have to.
Smize surprise is the little bit of extra love. It's basically a truffle, a chocolate-coated truffle. There we go, ladies and gentlemen. I feel like a king down here in Darling Harbour. Let's jump into the Smize surprise. Ladies and gentlemen, you're going to have to give me a little bit of while to tuck myself into this. Let's come back with the second course in a minute. So ice cream lovers, another new addition recently has been the Sammy, or what we call in Australia a sandwich. Sandwich. The Smize Sammy has, of course, Tyra's favourite ice cream, but you've also got this house-made butter cookie, hand-dipped in yellow white chocolate. Now the beauty of the Sammy is that in some Sammys there is a Smize surprise. It's a Biscoff heart, and if you pick the right one, then you win a Smize pin and 2 mini pints. Now, when I said to Rachel, oh, well, let's grab me one, she said, oh, no. You got to pick your own Sammy to see whether you have a feeling as to what Sammy's reaching out to you. That's what we're going to do. Okay, now I feel as though the 1 second from the back, that one there, that's my lucky winner. Let's see if I have been gifted a Biscoff heart. That's beautiful. Okay, drum roll. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, the big moment. Am I a lucky winner? Oh, it's so cute. There she is. Comes with a very stylish little bag. I'll be using that for my knickknacks. Okay. I think that's it. I think that could be. I'm a winner. I'm a winner. I'm a winner in life. I'm a winner because I'm down here at Tyra's ice cream shop. And I think I'm a winner of a Biscoff heart. Am I a winner?
I think it is. Yes.
I am a winner. I'm not a loser after all. Does every one of them, Rachel, have a Biscoff heart? Does every one of them?
No.
Just so you can make everybody feel as though they're a winner?
I wish. That's a beautiful idea. I like that.
It is. Okay, so Rachel, explain to me this, what's going on here.
So this is Mama predicting your future.
Right.
So sometimes when you wear your pin, it can sit a little crooked, a little
Yes.
funky, but that's not because of anything else other than Mama sees what's coming.
Ah.
So if it's sitting straight up,
Yes.
it says your future's looking bright.
Nice.
But if it's leaning to the left,
Yes.
you've left the drama behind.
Nice. I always want to leave the drama behind, but it keeps following me, Rachel. It keeps following me.
It's upside down, the script's about to flip.
Oh.
Watch
Okay.
out.
Yes.
On your toes, pin leaning right, an argument's on the way.
An argument's on the way.
Watch out, watch out. Look at that.
So always
They'll
keep it-
yell, you'll smize though.
Oh, okay. Right.
Because you're gonna be so right.
In fact, when I feel an argument coming on, I'm going to tilt it.
Tilt it, you go, now.
Right. And I'm going to slay.
Slay. And smize.
Awesome. I feel so good.
Hey, but that's not all.
What?
That's not all, come on.
Oh.
Many kinds of ice cream.
Oh, that's awesome.
We've got purple cookies, caramel swirl, sweet chocolate mama, and the best vanilla I ever had.
Is it the best vanilla you've ever had?
It actually is. I can't have any other vanilla now. I actually get really sad when it's not this vanilla.
Okay, so Rachel's making us one of the famous.
Hot Smize creams.
Let's go.
So
Let's through it.
first we pour our hot Smize cream, which the chefs have lovingly made for us. They've made their secret recipe, turning that cool Smize cream, ice cream, into the hot Smize cream. A swirl of cream, and then we need some salted caramel because that is essential to a Tyra's favorite, which to me this is the best amount of salt in a salted caramel I have ever had. It's the perfect balance. We've got a little few more pecans to place on top. And there you have it, a hot Smize cream.
Okay, now I committed the cardinal sin, ladies and gentlemen, because I asked, do you have a spoon? Apparently you can't eat it with a spoon. Tyra wants it to be messy. When Tyra wants it to be messy, Tyra gets it to be messy. A rich dairy, it complements so well with the caramel and the pecans and the cream. Honestly, I may never use a spoon again. Ice cream lovers, everybody leaves here a winner. 1 year open, Smize Dream. We've got ourselves some merch. We got key rings, we got tote bags, we got purses, we got balloons. Big congratulations to Tyra and all of her crew here. What an ice cream shop, what an accomplishment right here in the heart of Sydney. To make a very successful ice cream shop, you need 3 things. Good end product, environment, and engagement. The product here is incredible. A lot of very nuanced, fun and whimsical things you can do with ice cream. The environment is incredible. The crew here, Rachel and her crew are some of the best we've met. So big congratulations to everybody here at Smize Dream. All of the show notes down below, we'll put all of the links to her socials and where you can get all of this stuff. Anyway, as we always say,
keep on scooping. See you in the